Hello everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm one of the maintainers of the new Hiero DID SDK JavaScript, and I'd like to give you a short overview of its essential components and features. First of all, on the right side of the diagram we have two components providing essential API for DID management, Resolver and Registrar. Resolver component provides a universal API used for resolving DID documents, and Registrar component provides an API for DID creation, updates, and deactivation. So the SDK covers the full life cycle of the DID document on Hedera. What makes SDK API robust are the new highly customizable publisher, signer, and verifier components. Signer and verifier components provide a comprehensive API for key management when it comes to signing and verifying DID messages. You can also see HashiCorp Signer and HashiCorp Verifier components, which provide built-in support for HashiCorp Vault as a key management system. And essentially, you can provide your custom implementations of Signer and Verifier classes from your end application. Finally, the Publisher component provides similar customizable capabilities for signing and publishing Hedera transactions, so you can provide your own implementation of Publisher class from your application as well. Major new feature of the SDK is the implementation of Hedera Unencrypt's Verifiable Data Registry, or VDR, according to Hedera Unencrypt's method specification. At the middle of the diagram, you can see a new component named Hedera Unencrypt's Registry, which provides an API for managing unencrypted resources on Hedera, credential schemas, credential definitions, and revocation registries. Unencrypted support feature enables developers to leverage Hedera Ledger for unencrypted use cases, bringing high performance and low costs of operations. And finally, on the left side of the diagram, you can see new components related to HCS integration. There is a top-level component named HCS Service, which provides common API to work with all HCS-related features supported in the SDK, and more specific components HCS File Service, HCS Topic Service, and HCS Message Service that can be used independently. HCS File Service provides an API to store and resolve files on HCS according to HCS1 standard. HCS Topic and HCS Message Services provide convenient API to work with HCS topics and messages accordingly. Now let's take a look at the short demo of the DID Management API of the new Hiero DID SDK JavaScript. It's a short interactive script that shows us how we can create, update, and finally deactivate the DID using the new DID Management API. And we're also resolving the DID state after each operation so we can see the result in the console. So let's run the demo. So we're starting with creating a new Hiero DID. Resolving the DID document so we can see our new DID document that we just created with single root key verification method. Now we can proceed with updating the DID. So the script asks us what is the DID service endpoint that we want to add as DID document service. Let it be something like this. Now we're updating the DID. Here's the updated DID document that we just received from Hedera, and we have our new DID document service here with our endpoint that we just added. And now we can proceed with deactivating the DID. So now our DID is deactivated. We just resolved the DID document state where we have no verification methods and no DID services. And that's it for the demo.